You don't have a lack of intelligence, you don't have a lack of ideas. If anything, you have too many. Too many thoughts running at the same time, too many plans that never turn into action, too many what-if scenarios playing in your head over and over again. And somehow, despite all that thinking, you're still stuck. You start things, but you don't finish them. You plan things, but you don't execute them. You imagine a better life, but nothing actually changes. And deep down, you already know what the problem is. You think too much. But here's what makes this dangerous. Overthinking doesn't feel like a problem, it feels like you're being careful. It feels like you're being smart, it feels like you're preparing. But in reality, it's the exact reason you're not moving forward. Because while you're sitting there trying to figure out the perfect move, someone else is out there making mistakes, learning, improving, and getting ahead of you. So in this video, we're gonna break down why overthinkers make no progress, what it's secretly doing to your life, and how you can finally break out of this cycle. The illusion of progress. Overthinking feels productive. That's the trap. You sit down, maybe with your phone, maybe just in your head, and you start analyzing everything. What's the best way to do this? What if this doesn't work? What if there's a better option? What if I mess it up? And hours go by, hours. You're mentally drained, you feel like you've been working, but if you really look at your life, nothing changed. You didn't start, you didn't build anything, you didn't move forward even one step. You just thought. And the scary part, your brain rewards that. It gives you a false sense of progress because thinking feels safer than doing. Doing is risky. Doing exposes you. Doing can lead to failure. But thinking keeps you in control, so your brain says, let's just think a little more. And a little more turns into days, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months. And suddenly you realize you've been planning your life instead of actually living it. The what-if loop. Overthinkers live in a loop, and that loop is built on one phrase. What if? What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if I'm not good enough? What if this goes wrong? And at first it seems harmless, but your brain doesn't stop at one question, it builds on it. What if I fail and everyone sees it? What if I embarrass myself and never recover? What if this ruins everything? Now you're not just thinking, you're creating fear. You're turning small risks into huge threats. And here's what happens next. Your brain believes those thoughts even though they haven't happened, even though they're just possibilities. They start to feel real, and once they feel real, you hesitate, you delay, you avoid, you stop. Not because you're incapable, but because you scared yourself out of taking action. And this happens every single time. You get an idea, you get excited, you think about it, and then your mind slowly talks you out of it until you're back where you started, doing nothing. Waiting for the right moment. One of the biggest lies overthinkers believe is this. I'll start when I'm ready, when I have more knowledge, when I feel more confident, when everything is clear. But that moment, it never comes, because readiness is not something you wait for, it's something you build through action. Think about it. Every skill you have right now, you were once bad at it. You were once unsure, you were once inexperienced, but you didn't wait to feel ready, you started. And through starting, you improved. But when it comes to bigger goals, you hesitate. You treat it differently. You tell yourself this time it has to be perfect. This time you can't mess it up, so you wait, and while you're waiting, nothing happens. No progress, no growth, no change, just more thinking. The real cost. Let's talk about what this is actually really costing you. Because it's not just time, it's opportunities. Opportunities you didn't take because you overanalyzed them. Ideas you didn't start because you doubted them. Chances you let go of because you weren't sure. And here's the hardest truth. There are people out there, less talented than you, less intelligent than you, less prepared than you, who are doing better than you. Not because they're better, but because they act. They don't wait for perfect clarity, they don't wait for the perfect confidence, they move. They try, they fail, they adjust, and because of that, they grow, while you stay stuck. At the end of the day, overthinking isn't helping you, it's holding you back. It feels safe, but it's keeping you stuck in the same place. So here's what I want you to do. Right now, think of one thing you've been overthinking, just one. And instead of analyzing it again, take action on it today. Even if it's small, even if it's imperfect, just start. And if this video helped you realize something, make sure you subscribe because this channel is all about helping you stop overthinking, take action, and actually build the life you keep imagining. Because your thoughts don't change your life, your actions do.